Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's been so long, like really long, like too long. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Luminous foundation by Anastasia Beverly Hills and the Kylie Jenner skin concealer. They look so, yeah. Go ahead, like, share, comment, and motherfucking subscribe. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go right into this video. It's good. Oh shit. Fuck. I always fuck up. Always. Like. So I'm gonna start off with my Too Faced Hangover Primer. Looks like this. If it focus. I'm just gonna be taking one pump of this. Just put it all over my face. I'll rub that in.
Might you make a video of filling in your sister's eyebrows?
How about no?
And oop.
My last video was her. I'm going to be using the ABH Dip Brow Pomade in shade Ebony. And this is the e.l.f. Duo Brush.
Who doesn't know how to flush the toilet after taking a shit?
It wasn't me!
Well, there's fucking one he is! Disgusting! I'm gonna go shower.
Bye. Get out! I don't really do much to my eyebrows besides just kind of filling in a little bit of bald spots that I have. But yeah, this one's done. To carve out my brows, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. Looks like this, and I'm in shade C4. This is my first time using it like this. You're gonna get my complete first honest review. I'm just gonna pump some on my finger. Let me shake it first. But yeah, it's not that close. Oh, it's like pretty liquidy. Okay. The way it's going on my face kind of feels like the Fit Me foundation. Only because it's not super heavy or super thick, and I don't really like thick foundations. I don't know why I'm putting a lot. I'm going to be using the buffing brush by Real Techniques. Just going to puff this in first with the brush. My face is just super red, so it seems like it's not my color, but really it is. And so far, it's not looking bad at all. Like, the box says vegan, gluten-free, alcohol-free, clinically tested, dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, and suitable for sensitive skin, non-comedogenic, long-wearing, and no flashback. Yeah, so it's a medium coverage. As I said, that's the reason why you can still see my freckles. Again, it does remind me a little bit of the Fit Me foundation, but it's not super matte. Like, you see, you can still see my freckles. I am pretty glowy under here, like. But yeah, like, this is the one I've been using, the Fit Me Dewy, and then this is the Anastasia. So it does match up a little. If you've ever used a Fit Me foundation, you'll know what I'm talking about as the texture and the way the foundation lays on my face. I'm going to use the Kylie Jenner concealer. This is what it looks like. And to it, okay. seems pretty thick. I'm just gonna do this side first. I don't know why I put so much. Doesn't really have a scent to it. Makeup Revolution's concealer definitely has a scent to it. It just smells like a bunch of chemicals like paint. I don't have a problem with it, but I know a lot of people don't like that. But wow, okay. Okay, Kylie Jenner. There it goes. It's pretty pretty. Pretty pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. So and there it is, ladies and gents. Like, this is my face right now. Look at how good this blended in. Like, the foundation's sitting nice. I'm going to be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder. This is just in the shade Translucent. I've always... There is that. Foundation and concealer done. This is a Real Technique brush just to go ahead and set the rest of my face. I will be using the Pro Fusion Conceal Palette. It looks like this. I'll be using this shade right here. After cream contouring, I will be using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer. Looks like this. With the Wet n Wild contouring brush. Then snatch that chin. Yeah. After contouring, I will be applying some blush with the Lexi 514 blush brush. After blush, I'm going to be using the same face powder brush that I used at the beginning, just to soften up the look and not make it look too harsh. After that, I'm going to be using the All Nighter Setting Spray. As that is setting onto my face, I'll go ahead and highlight my face with the Wet n Wild Loose Highlighting Powder. You see it? All-nighter spray. Now finally onto my favorite and most struggling part, my lashes. After curling them, I'm going to put some mascara on. This is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. My sister's still not in the shower. I don't know why I like making them look perfect before putting on lashes. If after I put the lashes on, like, it doesn't matter, you won't be able to see them. So what am I doing? What are you doing, Britt? I don't know. I really don't. While my mascara is drying, I'm going to be putting on some lipstick. This is the Kylie Jenner matte lipstick in Koko, because I don't have my lip liner and I actually ran out of it, but I actually can do it without it, so mind your business. Oh, my sister's out the shower. What is it?
What's that?
What is it, Dad?
You, Dad. Are you gonna do my eyebrows? I just want to see how it looks.
Maybe.
Take the L, you know.
What? Disgusting! If you haven't seen that video, you're off the shits. Okay, there's the lipstick. And for a little touch of magicalness,
You're ugly.
I'm gonna put some concealer in the inside
my boyfriend's shirt.
That's my shirt.
Yeah.
Peppa!
What are you doing on my sister's phone?
Okay, now that this is
She's-
all dry or
no.
whatever.
You're a crackhead. Yours.
Maybe
You want
then.
to see my nose?
Does anyone watch
Who?
Keen and JC? Let me know in the comments if you do, because there's some funny motherfuckers. For lashes, I will be using the Cavalli Lashes in style C4. These are only like $8. Sometimes they have sales and you can get them for like $5. So go check them out. It's called Cavalli Lashes on Instagram.
Okay. Never.
Where's your nose ring? You know, a lot of people always have their nose rings on.
Well, you know, I don't like having it on when I'm in the shower.
It's a fake piercing, by the way.
No,
Don't
it's
think she
not.
actually got one.
No, it's not.
Because people are going to be like, she's too young. Oh my god, you guys let her do whatever she wants.
Oh my gosh. Guys, let her do whatever she wants. Look at. Can I see it? Because if I put it on the side. Look at how big it looks. Even though I have no one. Listen to that.
You're nasty.
Do I fold these in?
Yeah, this is the first time I put my eyelashes on and I didn't have to take them off and do it again. So yeah. This is
Wait,
the
she's
end.
still going through my eyebrows.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
This is
you
the
are.
end of this
You
video.
said no. You
Thank
said you were.
so much
no,
for watching.
she said she's gonna do my eyebrows.
Okay, sit down. Done.
Oh, it hurt. You smacked my eyeball.
So for her, we're gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pomade in Ebony Brown. Yee, yee. Let me see. Yes, they look bushy because they're gonna be thicker.
Not that look bushy, they look dark.
Because it's the appearance of filling in your eyebrows is like if you have more hair in there. So get off of my. You look like a fucking crackhead with just your eyebrows done and nothing else.
What else are you gonna do then?
Yeah,
Now
squat
you're gonna
down.
have to do a full face.
No, I'm not.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Yeah, I got it out.
Ah!
Look at that shit.
Look at how you left my face. You could do something else to my face.
You can put mascara on and that's it.
Or you could put me like highlight.
Here, take that shit off right now.
I'm just your mom. Oh, I almost fell.
I honestly don't know when I'm gonna make another video, but this one's gonna have to do it. And yeah. So actually, I know when I'm gonna make a video. I said that I was gonna make a video for my dorm tour. So I'll see you when. I'll see you when on Wednesday. Yep, on Wednesday. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.